Hey everybody, welcome back once again to my little car channel. I'm doing some headlights again. Once again, it's going to be using Mother's mag and aluminum polish. This is a 2006 Toyota Tundra, and these headlights are just really cloudy, so I'm going to bring them back to life real quick using Mother's. And really just a two-step process. I'm going to clean it and then polish it and do a real quick turnaround so you guys get to see what it looks like. Before we get started, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. So here we go. Take the Mother's iron aluminum polish. Sit on the headlight. Take any remaining polish, put it onto the pad here. So you take the pad, bring it across the surface and pick up the polish so you're not slinging it. That'll work. This battery's dying, so change out batteries. Take your microfiber towel, wipe off the polish. Looks way better. So that's a really good result for only a few minutes of work. And need to go behind that and put some protection on it, which I'm going to actually be putting ceramic coating on these. I'm not going to show that right now because I'm about to move on to some other items on this vehicle, one being the engine bay. So please check that video out. I'm going to be doing this engine bay next and let you guys see what that looks like. So please check that video out. I'll leave a link to it here in this video, and thanks again for watching, and see you guys on the next one.